Welcome to the Golden Horn, the legendary waterway that made Istanbul one of the richest cities on earth. Stretching like a golden blade through the heart of the city, the Golden Horn has welcomed traders, emperors, and dreamers for over 2,000 years. Byzantine emperors protected it with massive chains across the water to stop enemy ships. Ottoman sultans filled its shores with palaces, mosques, and bustling markets. From up here you can feel why they called it the Golden Horn, because whoever controlled these waters controlled the riches of both Europe and Asia. Look at this contrast. On one side, the ancient historical peninsula with its domes and minarets. On the other, the vibrant Galata district, where Genoese merchants once built their trading colony. For medieval sailors, passing under Galata Tower and entering this bay must have felt like arriving at the center of the world. The air filled with spices, the call to prayer echoing, ships from Venice, Genoa, Alexandria, and beyond all anchored here. Down below lies the famous Spice Bazaar, also known as the Egyptian Market. Its colorful stalls have been selling saffron, cinnamon, sumac, and Turkish delight for centuries. The air here still smells exactly like it did when Ottoman caravans arrived from the Silk Road. Sweeping across the entire historical peninsula, this is pure magic. Every hill, every dome, every tower tells a story. From Roman times to Byzantine glory, from Ottoman splendor to modern Istanbul, all of it concentrated in this one breathtaking view. The Golden Horn didn't just carry ships. It carried civilizations, cultures, and dreams across continents. And today, we get to fly through that same living history.